Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mirror or cast your mobile phone screen to your computer screen. Before I continue, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Enable the notification for you to be the first to know when I release a new video. For any view or comments, drop it on the comment box below. Now let's move on. Here is how it works. Go to your Google Play Store on your Android phone. Then search for this field. Now click on this first search result. Then click on the first search result again to download the app. After downloading the app, you click on open to open the app. From here now, you also go to your computer to download the client site. Open up your web browser and type in the search box this field. Click on the first search result. Then you come to this desk.com window. So click it. Click on the download to download the app. After downloading the app, you click on the file. So click on the file to open the app. From here now, you also go to your mobile phone and open the application also. You now click on open. Now you click on this let's view. You click on the name of your computer. In this case, it says let's view administrator. Click on it. Then if you want to mirror from your phone to your computer, you click on your phone screen mirroring. Then click on start. Now you can see now my phone screen is now mirrored on a computer. You can do anything that you want to do on your phone and it will be showing on your computer. That's how you can mirror your phone screen to your computer. And you can also mirror your computer to your phone. If you want to mirror your computer to your phone, you click on this computer. Then click allow on your system. Now, as you can see, I can control my computer screen on my phone. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. For question, comment or complaint, go to the comment box below and drop it. Thank you. Yeah, come your way next time. Bye for now.